Sometimes I don't want to use a white light. I want to use a yellow light. I want to give some drama. Some drama to my face and my background, my surroundings, and this does it well. What's up, guys? So welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I've got a scissors here with me because today's video is about unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Neewer ring light. Ooh. So let's go. This is not my first ring light, and I am actually using a ring light to film this video right now. This ring light, I bought it almost, if not over 2 years ago. So it's time for an upgrade, and I'm going to be unboxing this Neewer ring light, which I'm going to be using henceforth. So in today's video, I'm going to be, I think this is my first Neewer product. I'm actually not sure of the brand of ring light that I have with me right now. I mean, the one that's in front of me right now. I am not sure. If it's Neewer, I'll put it on the screen, and if not, I'll let you guys know. So here we go. This is how it came. Most times when you travel, especially when vlogging, you're kind of limited to natural lighting. I mean, you can't be carrying ring light all about, but this actually makes it easy. It's easy to travel with, and I love that. So let's open it up. And it's lightweight too. Did I mention that? It is lightweight. Yeah. So what have we got here? Wow. This is massive. Okay. So first, this is the main ring light. This is the ring light. Go, 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 go. The ring light. This is it. Open that up. Here we go. So this is what it looks like. It is mine now, so I can cut this out. Next, we got this. This is the wires, the adapter, and I think I saw smartphone accessory kit. So this is the edge. I am just going to pop it up and start assembling it. I don't need the manual, really. I don't really need the manual to set it up, because I mean, like I said, I have a ring light and I know how these things work to an extent. I know how they work. So I can recognize the parts already. That's why I'm just assembling them right now. And I know that this is going to come here. So let's just do that now. But if this is going to be your very first ring light, then you need the manual. So there are actually 3 places that you can pop this on. There are 3 spaces for you to pop it in. Can you see? 3. So you can pop it in here, here, or here. But I'll put it in the middle, like this. And I'm just tightening the screw. And that's it. This is what it looks like now. So back here, we've got this adapter here, and we've got the socket here. Now I am happy because this has a fuse. I mean, I can just plug it directly to the power source. Now the one that I'm using right now, it is plugged directly to my computer. So my computer is the main power source for the particular ring light in front of me now. But for this, I can plug it directly to a socket to get the light on. So, and it's very long. Wow, it is very long. I'm just going to take this out. This. Good to go. And then I am going to and I'm going to plug this to the adapter. There we go. Right, so I'll just plug this in. And the last thing that I have here is this. This is a remote control. It's called the remote shutter. I don't know if you can see that. So it connects to both Android and camera phones, which is good. The only thing that I'm not happy about is that it does not have what is it called, like it doesn't have a rope, like something to hang to put it in, like to easily locate it, or something like a tiny rope that you can just pop into this small hole and you'll be able to like carry it around, you know, something like that. That's the only thing, but this is what it looks like. That's all that's in the box. Yep, that's it. I'm just so happy that it is something that I can travel with, and getting good lighting when I travel out of my base, you know, travel out to other cities to vlog, will not be an issue for me because I can travel with this. So I'm happy with that. Now the other thing in this box is the legs, and here it is. Let's open this. Here we have it. There's the legs. Wow. So this is what it looks like. Let me give you a 360. See that? That's what it looks like. Just trying to stretch out the legs. You can stretch it as low, as high, however you want, and I'll just leave it like this. And once it is stretched out the way you want it, you just need to like secure it here by tightening it. So by the time you tighten it here, it is immovable. It's not stretchable or reducible again, and if you want to stretch it out again or reduce it, then you adjust it here too. So I'll just leave it like this and place it down on the floor. And now for the height, this is what connects to the main head. But before we connect it together, it has 3 adjustable knobs here. So if I unlock this, I can actually adjust it. So this is the highest for it. Then I need to lock it back. And then the next one, I unlock it, and then I adjust it and I lock it back. My god, this is very high, as in very high. Hey. Oh my, let me adjust this camera so that you get the full view. I'm standing now. This is the highest height for this particular ring light in front of me, but then this is still going higher up. So I unlock it and oh my god. Right, so now I'm locking it back, and can you see that? It's so high. Let's try and show that. Yeah, can you see? It's almost to the ceiling. That's how high it is. I won't be using it this high though. But I just love that you get varying lengths as you wish. I'm just going to bring this back. It feels so sturdy, like it's so strong on the ground. That's good. Now let's take our ring light. So I'm just going to pop this in here, but before that I'll put this down a bit and then put it in and adjust the knobs until it is tight. It is tight now. Trying to adjust this too. Yeah, here we have it. So this particular one is for adjusting the ring light like this. Like, you can come like this, like if you are doing a cooking tutorial or something, and you know stuff that you're doing is on the table and you need a light, so this can actually bend over like this. But I'm just going to keep it straight, but just make sure that you tighten it up from here. Whew, wow. Now for this ring light, instead of connecting it to a power source, you can actually use battery to power it. The battery doesn't come with it, but you can get it online. You can get it on Amazon. I'll be leaving all the useful links in the description box below. So this is where you put the battery, and if you want to use the direct light power source, then you will have to plug this in just here. That's it. It is plugged, and you can also connect your USB cord. You can connect USB to it. Like I said, that this particular one that is facing me is using my laptop to power itself. I can use the USB cord to actually power this to my computer also, to give me some light. And I'm just going to plug this in and then put it on, and this is where you turn it on or off. So let's just face here. So let's turn this on. Did you see that? Did you see that? Okay, it's facing me now, so you should see the difference. This is without it. This is with it. So I'm just going to put off the ring lights for this one. Yeah. Let's just use this, and let me close the curtains too. Right, so this is what we've got. I've closed the curtain and the blinds, and this is it. This is it. This is it. Let me try and put it off. Ooh, spot the difference. Spot the difference. Right, this is good. And something that I like about this ring light is that you can actually like change to different lights, like different moods. Sometimes I don't want to use a white light, I want to use a yellow light. I want to give some drama some drama to my face and my background, my surroundings, and this does it well. Now, as you can see behind this ring light, you can see is at 4,400. So you can increase this 4,000 something K. Honestly, I don't know the real meaning, but I'm believing it means the intensity or something like that. Let's try and increase the percent. So you can see it's getting brighter and brighter and brighter and brighter, and oh my god, really brighter. Oh my. So this is at 50% now, and you can spot a great difference, a great difference. So this is at 50% now. Imagine what it will look like if it is at 100%. So right now, let's change the mode. So I just changed the mode now. I've changed it to a red light. This is what it looks like. So it's giving this red light vibe now. If I want to increase the percentage, I'll just increase it. As you can see, it's already increasing the brightness of this red light. And another thing that you can do is that you can change it to any color. So instead of having this red light, I can change it to something like purple, blue, yellow, you know, something like that. And that works for this other control here. And I'm just going to like increase it. Oh, can you see this? Can you see this? Ooh. So it has changed. It's changing. It is now like a lilac color now. It's now turning to something blue, turning to green, So that's how you change it. Right now I'm just going to bring it back to red. Oh, this is yellow. Oh my god, I'll just turn off the mode now and bring it back to white light. So that will be here. Yeah, we have a white light back. And when I want to finally put the whole ring light off, I press the knob here and that's it. So this ring light came with a Neewer guide. It's a quick guide. It is not comprehensive, so sometimes you really need to watch a video like this one that you're watching now to be able to set it up. And this is what it looks like. It is a very quick guide. It's not very comprehensive, and if it's your first time of setting up a ring light, you might not find it easy like I did. So watching this video is the right thing to do. And here at the back you have some warnings that you need to take note of. And another thing that is in the pack is their customer service representative number or support for UK and US. I mean, I'm sure that for other countries you can just call the US line directly, or you can scan the code and or go to their website just here. I am sure that this has been helpful, and if you are looking for a ring light to buy, I'm going to be leaving the links to buy it directly in the description box below. Please make sure that you check it out, and if you're interested in other unboxing and review of other products related to making videos on YouTube, like cameras, like, you know, other things. I recently got my camera and I unboxed it, so you might want to click on this video that is popping up on your screen right now to take you there to watch it live and direct. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you in this next video.